Hello, I'm Simon from CareCo, and in this video we're going to demonstrate the different variety of motor options available within CareCo's range of rise and recliner chairs. Not only do our CareCo chairs offer a variety of colours, sizes and also different material options such as fabrics and leathers, the motor option is more specific to your individual needs. Whether you choose a single motor, a wall hugger, dual motor, 4 motor, zero gravity, tilting space or a 5 motor chair, as you can see there are a variety of motor options, and we're going to demonstrate and explain the differences with all of these different chairs. Whichever motor option you choose, each of them raise to allow you to exit the chair. All of the chairs recline, as you can see, for your comfort. Let's take a look at all the chairs individually and see how they differ. A single motor chair offers a simplicity of just a 2-button handset. This means that when you press the upper button, the chair will start to raise and the user can exit the chair. When they want to sit, press the opposite button and the chair will start to lower and come back to a seated position. From there, pressing that same lower button will start to raise the leg rest, and once that's fully raised, the backrest will then start to recline. To bring it back to a seated position, you press the opposite up button and again the chair will come back to a seated position. The wall hugger offers the standard features of a rise and recliner chair. However, the wall hugger, as the name suggests, can be placed closer to a wall. When reclined, the wall hugger does not take up as much space as many of our other chairs. This means that the wall hugger is suitable where space is limited or you have a small front room or lounge area. As you'll notice with the wall hugger, when it starts to recline, the chair moves forwards to maximise space behind the chair. The dual motor offers the independence of being able to adjust the footrest from the backrest. With a single motor chair, we had to raise the footrest all the way up before the backrest was able to be reclined. With the dual motor, we can independently move the backrest before the footrest is even raised. The 4 motor chair offers the same independent adjustment of the leg rest and the backrest as we've seen on the dual motor chairs. The 2 additional motors offer a powered headrest with targeted support to the neck and shoulders, an electric lumbar support which offers pressure relief to the lower spine. The tilting space option is available on our 5 motor chairs. It is worth noting that on some of our chairs, the tilting space is achieved through a mechanical design. Please do check out our website for further details on which other chairs offer the tilting space option. Tilting space is where the entire backrest and seat area tilt backwards but at the same angle. Therefore, you don't adjust your posture as you're moving backwards. As you can see in this case, this comes into action when the footrest is fully raised, and when I press the button now, the chair is tilting in space. Notice that this angle here has remained constant throughout this motion. Tilting space helps redistribute pressure more evenly, and it also helps keep your knees, hips and back in alignment. Zero gravity is a feature which is available on some of our 5 motor chairs. It's also worth noting that it's achievable via mechanical design on some of our other chairs. Please do check the website for further details. Zero gravity shifts your weight evenly, and the design of the recline mimics the position astronauts assume during liftoff. The zero gravity function starts once the leg rest is fully raised. As I now start to recline the chair, the zero gravity comes into action. The zero gravity position relieves spinal pressure, boosts circulation and eases swelling. Some of the CareCo chairs come complete with heat and massage. This is either controlled via a separate handset for just the heat and massage functions, or on a single handset for all of the controls. The heat function generally targets the lower back area, whilst the massage function is in the lower seated area and sometimes the leg area, dependent on the chair. The heat and massage function increases circulation and in turn reduces pain in muscles and joints. If you're still unsure which chair is correct for yourself, why not pop into one of our local showrooms? We have showrooms across the UK and they're fully stocked with tea and biscuits. We're open 7 days a week, and to find your nearest showroom, please do check out our website at careco.co.uk. We hope you've enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time.